the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over a braided wig. Yeah. A braided wig, girl. This is what the unit is looking like online, and then this is what she's looking like in person. I have been wanting to try out some braids, especially some boho braids, but I mean, obviously since I do wig reviews, I tend to not get braids, but like, I'm really hoping that this wig scratches that itch that I've been having. Here's a close-up of what the unit is looking like. I hope you can tell on camera, but like, each braid looks like it's been very well braided, like very neatly braided. On top of that, each one of the braids has like individual boho hairs added in, and it's not like one or two. It looks like it's like several boho pieces added into each braid, which is nice because that makes the unit obviously a little bit fuller. And on top of that, at the ends of the unit, yeah, I hope you can tell. You know how usually when you get braids, somebody is either going to burn the ends, or either they'll put a rubber band on the ends, or whatever the case may be. It looks like they tied the ends of each one of these. Again, I hope you can see it on camera. This is a full lace wig, sister girl, okay? So that means you are going to have like all the braids braided individually all the way in the back. You are going to be able to put this up and half up, half down, a bun, so on and so forth. Of course, it just all depends on your application, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. I have this synthetic unit that's like a locks unit, and it was, I want to say it was a 13x4. It might have just been a closure. I can't remember. But something that I like about this one is, again, full lace, so everything is individual. So it's going to give that like scalp-like appearance versus that synthetic unit that I had a while back. It was like up top, it gave the scalp-like appearance, but then in the back, they like, it was almost like it was on tracks or something, and it just looked matted down, patted down. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to put that one in like a half a pat down or a full-on bun without it looking like very wiggy, versus this one, I don't feel like, or I feel like it's gonna look realistic and not wiggy. Yeah. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, one in the back and then the other 2 being on each side of the unit. It also comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. And instead of having the traditional adjustable straps in the back, it instead comes with the Invisi straps, and that's like 3 clear strands in the back, to where when you pull on this one and also the other one on the other side, that will adjust the unit to the back of the nape of your neck. According to the website, this unit is offered in standard braids and salon level braids. Now, I'm not really sure which one they sent me. I'm gonna assume it's the standard braids version, but always make sure to check the description box down below, because it'll have all the information for the wig along with a direct link to the wig as well. So whichever wig I have, it'll take you straight. If you click on that link, it'll take you straight to the one that I have. So it should already be highlighted whether it's standard or salon level braids. But also, I have a discount code that you guys can use, and that is Tan Dotson. That'll save you 32% off of their entire website. So not only this wig, but also any wig on their entire website. While I continue to look at the website, I'm also noticing that they offer this unit with the lace being pre-cut. So it shows a pre-cut HD lace, an uncut HD lace, or a pre-cut regular lace. I'm pretty sure I received the uncut HD lace. I feel like I just spit. Sorry. And then also the length of this unit is 26 inches.
How you feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, I still feel for you. Cause like a riddle, yeah. Give me that cruise on a riddle. Oh, that's just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, give me bitch off. Tell me love her to the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she wears Coast. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Valley girl, she wears Coast. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit. We're gonna start with my cons first. I actually only have 2 of them, but the first one is gonna be that I am getting some shedding when it comes to the boho pieces. Here and there, I am having a few pieces come out of the boho pieces. Now, I will say it could possibly be user error from me whenever I put the foaming lotion throughout the unit. Maybe I tugged on a few pieces way too hard and now that's causing them to like slip out. I don't know, but I just wanted to let you guys know just in case you have the same problem if you end up purchasing this unit. My second con, which is really not a con, it could definitely be something that's just like me. Again, another user error. I'm having a little bit of itching when it comes to this unit. Like whenever the unit is on my like skin or kind of through my shirt a little bit, it's sort of kind of itching. Now it's been a hot minute since I've had some braids that were like long and down my back, but I don't remember them being itchy. Again, this is something that could be a me thing, but I wanted to bring it up. I actually just remembered one other con that I had, and that is that this unit is not big head friendly in my personal opinion. Now, I currently do have the unit on. I mean, obviously I have the unit on, but I feel like a way to make it more comfortable for myself is for me to possibly cut up into the lace, but at the same time, I don't want to do that because I don't want to ruin any of the braids, number one. Number two, I don't want to mess up the lace too much. Also, due to the unit not being big head friendly, I didn't want to like, well, number one, I don't ever really use glue when it comes to my units, but I didn't want to try to spray down the back of the unit because I was afraid that it would pull even more, which would then give me like a major headache, and I'm not trying to have that. So a way that I'm trying to keep the back down is by obviously using that comb that's in the back, but then I also went in with a bobby pin a piece and just put it on the back sides of the unit. So far it seems to be keeping it down pretty decently. I mean, obviously I can't see back there, but I'm pretty sure I will why did I just have a brain fart? I'm pretty sure I will put in a clip, there we go, that shows the back of the unit. Lord bless it. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. We're gonna start off with the lace. She is melted so nicely. From what I'm seeing right here in my chair, looking in the mirror, this lace is blended very nicely and very well. Now, always keep in mind that lace is a fabric, so therefore it's naturally gonna show up on your skin. But I mean, in certain lightings, hey, you can get away with it. Another pro for this unit is the fact that it's a full lace braided wig, but it actually looks good. It doesn't look like the braided wigs of yesteryear. Like, again, this looks very, very good in my opinion. The knots are pre-bleached on this unit, so therefore it's definitely giving scalp, especially if you end up tinting your lace or if you put the proper wig cap underneath as well. I feel like it can definitely give off scalp. Like, this is just a really nicely well constructed unit. Like I mentioned earlier, every braid seems to be nicely and neatly done. The boho pieces, you're not just getting 1 to 2. It looks like you're getting multiple on each strand. And then on top of that, again, the ends of each one of them is like twisted and tied up, so therefore you don't have to really worry about any unraveling. My last pro, and I feel like my best pro for this unit, is the fact that if you are someone who's wanting that braided look, but you don't want to sit in a chair for 8 hours and you don't want to pay $400, $500, $600 to get the look, grab this wig. Another pro for this unit is that you can do multiple styles with her. I'm talking about wear her down, wear her half up, half down, in a ponytail, in a bun, whatever you want to do. And on top of that, it'll still look good. But yeah, I want to know if you guys would ever try out a braided wig. Let me know down in the comment section below. And again, if you plan on picking up this unit, feel free to use my discount code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 32% off. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANDOTSON. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.